Hello students, class HKG. Today we will write sound of vowel A. So let's start. M A T, mat. A is the vowel. B A T, bat. A is the vowel. V A N, van. A is the vowel. B A G, bag. A is the vowel. J A M, jam. A is the vowel. C A T, cat. A is the vowel. Thank you.